Hi, the last 2 days we were actually working on a hackathon, and the hackathon, called HI in short, was about health AI gamification and took place here at the ACM Multimedia 2025. It was the first of its kind and it was actually huge fun. Here at ACM Multimedia we had the peers boardroom, and this is our team, not in the boardroom but at dinner, and we had a hybrid setup, so a few people were here, basically the organization team, and 5 groups participated remotely. You can actually see what they did on itch.io, and that is just one option to see it. So these are the 4 that already uploaded, but there will be a 5th one, and stay tuned, they will come up in this video.
%90 of computer users suffer from digital eye strain. But what if your screen time could actually improve your eye health instead? Meet Blink and Bloom, a game that transforms your natural blinks into a fun, healthy gameplay. Using advanced AI, every blink waters plants in your digital garden. No controllers, just natural eye movements. Capture bugs with eye rotation exercises and watch your garden bloom as your eye health improves. We are QB and Hema from the NeuroNudge team. Feel free to check out our project on itch.io. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are Jiang. We are working on gaze-based early mental health detection. We wanted to make something that would detect a health condition without being invasive, which make eye gaze a good tool to do this. We use multimodal AI system to test things. We use different things like fixation, cascade, and blink rate. And this is our architecture. We use the publicly available dataset. And this was our early version. This is how it looks like now. I was struggling. While the user is playing the game, the webcam records the arm movement on the back, and the model predicts and detects any anomaly. And this is how the dashboard looks like. And yeah. Then after that, we have the model card, which shows how the model works with the metrics that are useful for us. And we have future direction, which can be very useful. Yeah.
We are Team Goose Chase from Klagenfurt, Austria, and Aberdeen, Scotland. Our system is a gamified, AI-driven journaling tool. Users interact with a spiritual guide to process daily experiences, turning them into revisitable memories. First, players can express themselves with creating an avatar. Then, after offering a memory to the pond, they start talking to the pond. The pond guides the player through 3 stages of autoethnography. There is description, analysis, and reflection. After the interview process in all 3 stages or levels, the pond offers a summary and a visualization of the memory. The visualization is generated to spatially organize memories in the pond. You can move memories around, bring them up to the surface, or sink them down into the deep water. Of course, you can read the summary and revisit them again. Shrink Wrap by Team Align and Conquer. Living in a world full of AI-generated content can feel overwhelming. Imagine a chatbot-style Rogerian therapist that offers you some media. This particular chatbot will deceive you, but will also reveal their deceptions to you, empowering you with the ability to identify deceptive AI-generated content. Controlled exposure to the types of errors one might expect in AI-generated media might help people iteratively develop their ability to detect similar errors in the wild. Training content could range from early, obvious examples to newer, more subtle signs. In gameplay, one might be asked to identify characteristics of early or more recent AI-generated content. We want to help people feel safer and more confident in their own abilities of discernment. Team Align and Conquer is John N.A. Brown, Daniel Gardner, and Joanne Tate from Robert Gordon University, and Sabrina Maria Größing from the University of Klagenfurt.
So this is Vacations Please that we're working on. As you can see, we are working, like this is a customer who just came in. But while we're working, really we're just dreaming of going on vacation. So this is why we have this very handy catalog on the side here. And we're working in health insurance, and we have customers coming in. So there's some information about the customers, and there's a very accurate AI-generated text that totally has no mistakes or anything. It makes perfect sense in the context. Now we see a customer coming in here, and they're complaining that they had to get some treatment and it cost a certain amount of money, so now they're requesting that money. And our job is to check those people. So we can see there's this person, Corvo, I guess, or something. But we see they're actually not insured with us. So if we give them money, then our boss is going to be angry at us. And if we don't give them the money, then they are sad. So let's just say we give them the money. Then they're going to be gone. But the boss is sad. Oh, and I clicked past it accidentally. Anyway. And we lose money. And we just do that a couple of times. And then hopefully we get enough money so that we can go on vacation. Or maybe not.
Camera. You will get pop-up window that will tell the user how to use it with the 478 technique that's basically set for our demo. If we press X, this will close the window and will open an initialized camera with the media pipe 10. That will initialize the session and we will get the prompt to prepare, and we can start inhale and exhale. Breathing settings that can be adjusted. So if we roll down and show it from this menu, so we have the breathing settings. As I mentioned on the start, the 478 method is set as a default, but it can be also adjusted breathing pattern. Because we have it set currently only on 4 cycles, but the 4 cycles can be also changed. As this finishes, user will get a pop-up window that